The Energy Focus Commercial Double-Ended Ballast Bypass, or DEBB lamp, provides customers with significant savings, not only in electricity costs, but by reducing the average retrofit installation time by utilizing the existing fixture's lamp holders. This video provides a step-by-step guide to retrofitting a fluorescent lamp fixture with an Energy Focus DEBB lamp. Let's get started. First, turn off the main power to the fixture to avoid electrical shock before beginning the retrofit process. Safely dispose of the fluorescent tubes and remove the ballast cover. Disconnect the wire clip connecting the ballast to the main power source. Then cut the live and neutral wiring from the ballast. Cut the input and output wires that lead from the lamp holders to the ballast. Strip the plastic coating from the live, neutral, input, and output wires to expose the interior wiring. Now you can remove the ballast from the fixture. Connect one side of the lamp holders to the live wire and the other set of lamp holders to the neutral wire by twisting the exposed wiring together with a wire cap. This directly connects the lamp holders to the power source. Reconnect the wiring clip so the lamp holders are now connected to the power source. Bundle the wires together and cover with the ballast cover. Finally, install the Energy Focus DEBB tube and turn on the main power source. Your Energy Focus DEBB retrofit is now complete.